Peace. Yo, peace to the divine infinite consciousness and peace to the divine infinite self in all realms and realities. Yo, everything in between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn was all connected. This is on this plane. And now you got the Earth plane when everybody's talking about flat Earth. Don't let that just scare you away, all right? We're just dealing with the horizon. The flat Earth thing, of course, they were just setting that up just so we can fall for it. But there's truth in that as well. It's just how the Earth is set up with its vortex and how the stars and the heavens spin about it. And we have the North Star above it. And this is like this on other worlds. And outside of our little 196,940,000 square miles, there's other continents and other lands. These are called extraterrestrials from extra lands. Anyone who has gained any kind of knowledge to travel from one corporeal world to the next was definitely helped by other angelic forces. Now, if it was by the will of the Most High, which is used other Etherians to bring from one corporeal world to the next, so be it. We have yet to see that, though. But we do know and understand that there are other worlds on the same corporeal world, which is other continents. So this is likely where they came from instead of up, but out. All right. So, well, we all had everything. The star forts. I'm talking about the star forts are how cities are built on when we knew there was going to be floods that happen every so often, 200 to 400 years. So within the last 200 years, this is when America took its stronghold onto the world. This is right after the earthquake in New Madrid, Missouri, which happened in 1811, 1812. It was supposed to have been off the Richter scale, basically. But if they did have a Richter scale then, it would, they say a 7 or 8.0. But they believe that it was higher than that because they said the land was waving just like the water. And also it reversed the Mississippi River and made it flow north. So yeah, it was deep. And this is like pretty much after that, this America was getting more and more established. You don't really have too many records before 1811, So then you had other islands that were discovered, like Hawaii, around like 1778, 1779. You know what I mean? And this was by another country or company. This was by Captain Cook and who he was employed by. So. And it wasn't America, but it showed still the Caucasians and the Europeans still traveling about in the world after some type of flood, because this is when Mexico and Brazil and all that was supposedly also had a stronghold taken over on them by the Spanish conquistadors. And this was like a little bit before that, like the 1600s. And that was also supposedly had been a flood that took place then as well, preceded by a certain comet. All right. And it just shows and proved that, yeah, there is certain Etherian gods that descend on the plane every 200 years or so, and also a changing of gods as well on each corporeal world every 240 years. And so these things may cause this in the physical world or realm. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Cyber Cipher. All right? Peace.
Can we make some paper, yeah?